an essential skill that enhances the understanding of how the forces of nature act on a vessel.
अब हम अपने मेहमानों से अनुरोध करते हैं कि वे जहाज के सामने बाईं ओर देखें। आपको क्षितिज पर बड़ी संख्या में रंगीन पाल दिखाई देंगे। सेल ट्रेनिंग न केवल प्रणोदन के सबसे शुरुआती रूप पवन शक्ति के प्रति एक सम्मान है, बल्कि यह एक आवश्यक कौशल भी है जो यह समझने में मदद करता है कि प्रकृति की शक्तियां नौकाओं पर किस प्रकार कार्य करती हैं।
On the port side, ladies and gentlemen, is the parade of sails. The first two vessels are INSV Mahade, skippered by Lieutenant Commander Dilna K. Shaurya Chakra, and INSV Tarini, skippered by Lieutenant Commander Rupa A. Shaurya Chakra. These vessels and their skippers
हैं और भारतीय नौसेना में महिलाओं की बढ़ती भागीदारी का प्रतीक हैं।
INSV Neelkanth, skippered by Lieutenant Ankit, is proudly hoisting the Indian tricolour sail, signifying command, control, and India's sovereign presence at sea. Following in line are INSV Kadalpura, skippered by Commander E.S. Bisht, and INSV Haryal, skippered by Lieutenant Commander Ravindra.
As you may have experienced by now, the Indian Navy is truly unique, where technology intermingles with the old world charm of ancient seafaring law and custom.
Little wonder that nuclear propulsion blends so well with the Wheeler under oars, the global positioning system unit in constant proximity of the national flag, with ceremonies and emotions that are evoked by the national colors, inspiring every maneuver at sea. Now, the third and fourth columns of the review would be undertaken. This would be the second leg for the presidential column.
ये इस समीक्षा का दूसरा चरण होगा।
The next warship that you see on your left is the Republic of Korea ship Gangamchan, commanded by Captain Yoon Hyuk Min. She is a Chunmugong Yi Sunshin class multi-role destroyer of the Republic of Korea Navy.
कोरिया के जाने माने सेनापति के नाम से मशहूर ये जहाज एक मल्टी रोल डिस्ट्रॉयर है।
As a key blue water asset, she has demonstrated advanced air defense and anti-piracy capabilities during distant deployments, including operations in the Gulf of Aden and major multinational exercises.
Coming up next on your right-hand side is His Majesty's Australian ship Warramunga, commanded by Commander Ken Brown. She's an Anzac-class multi-role helicopter frigate of the Royal Australian Navy.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के मूल निवासियों वारामुंगा के नाम पर आधारित यह जहाज एक मल्टी रोल फ्रिगेट है।
The next warship that you see on your left is Japanese ship Yudachi, a Murasame-class destroyer of the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. She is commanded by Commander Tsutsumi Toshio. She is designed for multi-mission escort and is operated by the Escort Flotilla in the Indo-Pacific.
जापानी जहाज युदाची बहुराष्ट्रीय युद्ध अभ्यासों और समुद्री मार्गों की सुरक्षा में पनडुब्बी रोधी और बेड़े की हवाई रक्षा भूमिकाओं के लिए विशेष रूप से सक्षम है।
From our eastern neighbor, Myanmar, we have Union of Myanmar ship King Ong Zea on your right-hand side. She is commanded by Commander Ye Win Thaw.
म्यांमार का यह युद्धपोत अपनी क्लास का मुख्य जहाज है और एक मल्टी रोल गाइडेड मिसाइल फ्रिगेट के रूप में काम करता है।
She is Myanmar's first indigenous guided missile frigate and the sole unit of the Ong Zea class, providing blue water capability. Displacing roughly 2,500 tons, her impressive array of weapons and sensors give her a genuinely multi-role profile in air, surface and subsurface warfare.
Coming up next on your right is Vietnam People. The next ship on your left is the ship of the Republic of Philippines, Miguel Malvar. She is commanded by Captain Paul Michael Heshenova.
फिलीपींस नौसेना का यह जहाज उन्नत सेंसर, वर्टिकल लॉन्च हवाई रक्षा मिसाइलों और मजबूत एंटी सरफेस एवं पनडुब्बी रोधी युद्ध प्रणालियों के साथ नौसेना की तटीय युद्ध क्षमता को महत्वपूर्ण रूप से बढ़ाता है।
A modern guided missile frigate and the lead ship of her class, Miguel Malvar was commissioned in May 2025.
Next up on your right is Vietnam People's Navy ship 17 of Brigade 171. It's a Petya-class light frigate commanded by Commander Le Viet Nghi. The senior officer present on board is Senior Captain